Hello Word Study friends, welcome to This Week in Word Study. This week we are going to be testing letter feature P, sort 8. Please listen carefully to your words. As I say them, use them in a sentence and we'll repeat them again. You may stop this video at any time if you need to pause to think about your words. You will have 10 words from your sort and then 2 curveball words. Please listen carefully. Here we go. Number 1. Designate. Would you please designate a person from your table group to be your leader? Designate. Number 2, columnist. She decided she wanted to become a columnist for the New York Times. Number 2, columnist. Number 3, resign. When you decide to leave a job, you resign. Number 3's word is resign. Number 4, muscular. When you work out a lot, you can become very muscular. Number 4, muscular. Number 5, autumn. Autumn is one of my favorite seasons. Autumn. Number 6, bombard. Sometimes it feels like we're trying to bombard you with a lot of information. Number 6, bombard. Number 7, muscle. Please show me that muscle in your arm. Muscle is number 7. Number 8, haste. In my haste in leaving school today, I forgot to bring home my computer. Number 8, haste. Number 9, resignation. Today I turned in my resignation at work, letting them know that I would be finished in 2 weeks. Number 9, resignation. And number 10, design. It is fun to design a room to see what it will look like when it's complete. Design. Let's go back through your first 10 words and then we'll get ready for your curveball words. Number 1, designate. Number 2, columnist. Number 3, resign. Number 4, muscular. Number 5, autumn. Number 6, bombard. Number 7, muscle. Number 8, haste. Number 9, resignation. And number 10, design. Your first curveball word for this week, debit. I hope I didn't lose my debit card, but I can't find it at the moment. Debit. And your last curveball word for this week, soften. Make sure you take the butter out of the refrigerator for it to soften enough to make cookies. Curveball word 12, soften. That's This Week in Word Study, friends. Have a great day. See you next week.